Hello guys, it's a good day today. We have 1,000 followers plus. Things are taking off with the business, so things are good. So to celebrate, I thought I'd have a shot. Today we'll be shotting some Napalm Enema 2.0 weapon of mass destruction. This is the first sauce we made. It's always going to be my favourite, I think. So this should be fun. I'm also going to be adding 1 drop of Psycho Drop's 1 million Scoville units. This was lovingly sent over by my sister. Jesus, look at that. That's horrible. There we go. No work this time. I've got the whole day to suffer. Chin chin. Ah. Ooh, ooh, shit. Tastes good. Fucking hell. Caution explicit language in this one. Fucking hell. So far I'm nice and calm. We're starting to build. Oh, Jesus Christ. Fucking hell. Pardon my language. It's gonna hurt. Fucking hell. Oh, so this one is very tangy. It's got, oh, fucking hell. It's going to be hard to breathe in a second. It's got reapers, scorpions, ghosts. It's got coffee, fennel, tomato seeds. Oh my god. Whew. That is getting really hot. I'm about 5 minutes in. Oh, I'm suffering pretty bad. Oh, the sweat's dripping off my brow. My nose is running. My eyes are streaming. That's a good shot. I'll let you know how I go after 10 minutes. Oh, here we go. It's a good sauce. I think it's on the downturn now, so I'll end the video here and go wash myself in an ice bath. Thank you very much, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.